If you're thinking of changing your streaming device to a Fire Stick or a Fire TV Cube, or indeed thinking of upgrading your old Fire TV Stick or Fire TV Cube to a newer one, then don't do anything until you've watched this video. This video is going to save you money on a brand new Fire TV Stick or Fire TV Cube. About 4 or 5 times a year, Amazon do have a sale on their products. But this is going to save you extra on top of that. If you're watching this video as a short, tap on the thumbnail in the bottom right hand corner right now to see the full video and be sure not to miss out. If you're already watching the full video, then hold tight, more details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things help us make more great videos for you. So, as I say, if you're thinking of changing your Roku stick or now TV box or an old streaming device to a Fire TV Stick or a Fire TV Cube, you can make massive savings on top of the great deals that they have from time to time already. Now, how do you do this? Well, if you go to Amazon's webpage and look at a Fire TV Stick or a Fire TV Cube, just below the word free returns, you will see it says save 20% with trade-in. So this means you can trade in an old streaming device and get 20% plus probably about £2.99 in an Amazon gift card as well. Now, it should be said that at the time of recording this video, there's not a lot of devices which qualify for the trade-in. But if you've got an old streaming device kicking around and you want to have a look to see if you can get 20% off a new Fire Stick or Cube, or get £2.99 off of another purchase from Amazon, then all you got to do is just click on the word trade-in just there, just on the web page which has got the Fire TV Stick or Cube you want to buy. So here, if you've got any Amazon devices associated with your accounts, or even other devices that you've bought through Amazon, you don't have to have bought these devices direct through Amazon to qualify for the trade-in. So if you've got any, they will appear there, but so far I've never seen any appear there on any of my Amazon accounts. So what I'm going to do is, it's got up here, it says don't see your device below, search for Fire TV. So let's just do that. Let's just type in there Fire TV and let's just see what comes up. So I click on Fire TV. So here it gives us a list of devices which would be accepted for a trade-in and give us 20% off plus an Amazon gift card. So we've got a certified refurbished Fire TV with 4K Ultra HD and Alexa voice remote control, certified refurbished Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote. We've got the Roku Express, we've got the Google Chromecast, we've got the Roku Streaming Stick Plus, we've got the Samvision Cyclone Micro 2 Plus, we've got the Roku Express and the Now TV box. So there's quite a few old devices here. I mean, if you've got any of those knocking around in your cupboard, then grab them, pull them out. And what you can do is, if your device isn't shown here, then the next step is, if you just click on your trading account just at the bottom there, and then click on trading just up in the top left, and then just click on streaming media players there, and then scroll down, and there you go, there's the other things that you can trade in. So you've got a Fire TV first generation, a Fire TV Stick first generation, Fire TV second generation, Fire TV third generation, or a Fire TV Stick second generation. Now, obviously, the more up-to-date devices are not listed here. Amazon obviously don't think that you're ready to recycle anything newer than a second generation Fire Stick. So how does the process work? So as it says there, so it says get an Amazon gift card plus 20% off a new Fire TV device. So it says tell us about your device, so answer a few questions about its condition to receive a trade-in quote. Even non-working devices are eligible. Send it for free, print a delivery label, send your device for free, we'll verify its condition within 7 days. Receive a gift card and buy a new Fire TV device. So it says once your trade-in is accepted, add a new qualifying 4K 4K Fire TV device to your basket, and a 20% discount will be applied at checkout. You'll also get a bonus 99p Amazon gift card that you can use to stream a film, buy an app, etc., all on your new 4K Fire TV device. There was mentions elsewhere that they would also send you a £2.99 gift card. Okay, so further down it says ready to trade in. So it says select your Fire TV model below. Let's just select the second gen Fire TV stick. So here's where it asks us questions about it. So it says, does the device power on? Yes, it does. Are all accessories such as remotes included with the device? Yes, they are. So there you go. So it's saying you'll get a £2.99 Amazon gift card, plus you should, when you go to buy a new 4K Fire Stick, get a 20% discount at the checkout. I'm just going to go back and have a look at some of the other devices. Like, say for instance, I select the Roku Express there, go continue, and continue again, and it asks us some more questions here. So it says, does the device power on fully? Is it functional? Yes. Are all accessories such as remotes, cables included with the device? Yes. Has your device been removed from your online account? Yes. Okay, go continue. And let's see. Okay, it won't let me trade that in. It says, sorry, you've already received this trade-in promotion. I haven't. I don't know why. But obviously there's a glitch there in the system. But what I would suggest is, if you can, wait until Amazon are doing a promotion on their devices. I mean, this 4K Fire Stick Max was $37.99 a few weeks ago, and Amazon often reduce these, probably about 4 or 5 times a year. So if you can wait, then that's ideal. But even if you can't wait and you've got a device to trade in, straight away you're going to get, say, off of $64.99, you're going to get just shy of £13 off of it. Plus you got your £2.99 Amazon gift card, so that's £16. So you'll get this really for about £49 instead of £64, which is still great value. But don't forget, as I say, if you're getting this on a promotion, then you'll still get 20% off, and hopefully you'll still get your £2.99 Amazon gift card as well. And while we're on the subject of trade-ins, you can go to trade-in there and then go into your trading account at the bottom there, and then go into trade-in just up there. And as you can see, there are other devices you can trade in too. There's Kindle e-readers, tablets, Echo, security devices such as Ring doorbells, smartphones, consoles. Let's just have a look how much a smartphone's going to grab. So if I click smartphone there, let's scroll down and let's just check an iPhone model. So let's just check the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gigabytes. So let's go in there. So it asks us again a few questions. So does the phone power on? Is it fully functional? Yes. Does the device have major scratches? No. Is the screen or body of your phone in good condition? No cracks or damages? Yes. Is the camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, microphone and speaker fully functional? Yes. Has your device been removed from your online account, e.g. iCloud? So let's just say yes. Here you will get, if the phone matches that condition and it is fully functioning, no scratches, camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, microphone and speakers fully functional, and the device has been removed from your online account, e.g. you've turned off iCloud and turned off Find My iPhone, then they will give you £400.07 as an Amazon gift card to spend back at Amazon. Now, when they receive the item, they will check the quality, and you have an option here to accept an adjusted value, or if you don't accept anything other than that, what they've quoted just now, then you can select to get them to return it for free. He said the adjusted value could be £40 and a penny, it could be £80 and a penny. So really, you probably don't want to accept that if it's only going to be worth a tenth of what they've originally said it could be worth. So that's up to you there. But there you go. If you've got any old equipment there that is listed as being eligible for trade-in and you want to get some money back off of purchases from Amazon and extra discounts if you purchase or upgrade to newer versions of Amazon products, then this is well worth a look. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, why not help support this channel? Have a look in the links down below. If you're in the market for a VPN or a new Fire Stick or Fire Stick accessories, then there's loads of links down there taking you to my favourite VPNs and my favourite Fire Sticks and accessories. If you buy through these links, it really does help support this channel. It helps me to dedicate more time to bringing these great videos to you. And also, whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? Have a look through my YouTube channel. I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully, whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and earn you some more money.